In this video, I'm going to show you a really quick tour on what's inside a Teachable School Administrator account. This can be seen only by administrators, not students. By the end of this video, you will have a good idea of what's inside an administrator account on Teachable. Of course, being on the free plan, there are many features unavailable. But the mission of this video is to show you what you can do inside a Teachable administrator account. But before that, let's complete these steps here. Let's create a course and name it Meditate with Adrian. For the course subtitle, let's write meditation techniques that work. I'm totally making this up right now. Okay, now create. Cool, we have 50% completed. Let's see what we can do more. Maybe customize the look and feel of our school a bit. Let's modify some colors really quick and save. Okay, 75%. Sign up for the free live webinar if you want. I'm going to pass this step for now. And launch your school. As I am on the free plan, they offer me to upgrade to a paid plan. But for now, we are testing the platform. So I'm going to launch my online meditation school with the free plan. Yay! Your school has launched. And this is how you launch an online school on Teachable. So this is the dashboard of your administrator account. Here you can view your sales and the dates they took place, how many students you have, how many signups. Then you can arrange your sales to daily, weekly, or monthly. In the user menu, you have listed the students who enrolled in your school and the school owners. Now I'm the only school owner, but you can add more. Here you can see the authors of your school. Authors are able to create courses on your school while learning a share of the sales, so that's nice. Then there is the affiliates section. In this section, you can create different links for people that want to advertise and promote your courses. And for each sale they make, they get a share of the sale for which you decide the amount. Here, you can create custom roles, but only on the paid plans. Okay, next, let's select Site. On the theme page, you can modify and customize the theme of your school as you wish. You can upload your logo, and there you can upload a personalized favicon. This is the little logo that you can see right here. Then you can customize the homepage background. Now moving on, here you can select the text font for your school and of course the colors, which we already did. Next, domains, we already been here, so here you can customize the domains to some extent. In the navigation section, you can customize the menu of your school. You can also add links in different sections of your school, like the navigation bar or the header or in the footer, that is the bottom of a page. In the bios section, you can add biographies, that is information about you as an instructor. You can add multiple bios. Maybe you want to use different bios for different courses. So you can do this right here. Let's invent one now. I started meditation or meditating when I was 10. And save. This is your first biography ready. Here you can see and modify the pages on your school. And here you can see the comments on your lessons. In the custom text section, you can modify what a student sees when navigating your school. I recommend you to be careful if you decide doing this. One good use of this can be if you decide to translate your school navigation into another language than English. On the code snippets, you can use a custom code. And if you want more options, you have to upgrade. In case you want to customize more using the Power Editor, you have to upgrade. Okay, let's move to the sales section. Here you see all the transactions that took place on your school, all the sales and refunds. Then you have different statements. Here you can see more details about your transactions, and in order to see the upsells reporting, you have to be on the professional plan. The next section is the email section, which you cannot use right now, but here you can create emails to email your students directly. Then you have the email history, and you can create different templates. Then here you can select different settings where you can choose when a student should be sent a notification. Now moving on to the settings section. Under the general section, you can edit the name of your school. You can also write your business name here. And here you can edit the name which will appear in your students' email inbox when they will receive emails from you or notifications from your school. Let's modify this really quick and save. Here you should put your address for tax reporting. Then you have settings regarding the lectures or the lessons in your school and courses. There are also some settings regarding the comments on your lessons, and if you want, you can add a blog to your school right here. Here you can take offline your school in case you want it to be unavailable to visitors or students. You can also delete your school permanently, if you decide so. Just a little big warning here, if you delete your school, this process is for good. You cannot recover your school after you delete it. And this setting here you cannot disable, which basically means that you can accept instant logins and purchases from students. In the payment section, you can set up the payments to your bank account if you want to receive money from the courses you sold. You just need to follow the instructions, and it is a pretty easy process for setting it all up. Here you can choose whether you need to charge the European Union value added tax, meaning if there are students from European Union, they will see tax added to the price of your courses. So if your course is priced say $300, Teachable will add automatically a value added tax, depending on the location of the student within the European Union. You should talk with your accountant and see if your course should have European Union value added tax. In the notification section, you can choose what you want to be notified about. Maybe when a student joins your school or a course. Whatever you choose to be notified about, you will receive these notifications in your email inbox you use to create your Teachable account. In the plans section, you can see the plans you can upgrade to. And here you can enter the details of your credit card if you decide to upgrade. In the integration section, you can link your Teachable account with other useful softwares that you use in your business. In your free account, you only have these 3 options. In case you want to link your school with Facebook and your Facebook pixel, you will have to upgrade. Then, in this section, you can use more integrations if you upgrade. Here you can assign different roles to different people, like different owners or administrators or authors. And there is the beta program that you can only use on the paid plans for testing different features. And we got to the course creation section, where you can see all your courses. As we made a course, you can see it right here. Click on it and there is another menu. Basically, each course will have this menu. Here you can publish your course when it's ready. Then you can preview the sales page, which is the page that the visitors see when they are reading about your course. Then you can see the course curriculum, which at the moment doesn't have anything in it. By the way, I should change these colors as soon as possible, but for now, let's continue. Here you include more information about your course, the bio that will appear on that course, the subtitle, and the category of the course. Here is where you can add a thumbnail image to your course. Then here you can delete your course permanently, or you can duplicate it if you choose to. In the Pages section, you can edit the sales page, the checkout page, and the thank you page. And you can add more sales pages if you want to test different things, or sales copy. Here you can edit the sales page, which at the moment looks like this. Basically, you have to build your page using blocks like banners, text, image with text, videos, and so on. I cannot edit the checkout page because I have to add a price for the course first. And the thank you page. This is the page that the students see after buying your course or enrolling in one of your courses. So you can edit and customize these pages. Now, on the curriculum section, you can build the curriculum of your course. Here you can separate the curriculum between sections or parts and lectures, and you can rename them as you want. Let's say we want to create a curriculum for our lead generator course, which could contain 3 tips or video lessons. We can make this part here as the introduction section, and we have a lesson. Let's create another section and we'll call it content lessons. Then we'll add 3 lessons, 1 tip per lesson. And the last section will be the conclusions. There you go, a mini curriculum that you can use for your lead generator course. Here you can duplicate a lesson, make it downloadable, make it free for the preview, or you can publish it. In the pricing section, you can choose the pricing plan for your course. You can choose to offer it for free, for a monthly subscription plan, that is when your student will have to pay each month to access your course. This is helpful when you have membership-based schools or programs. You can set the price as a single payment, or you can split that payment into more payments. The drip feature is useful when you want your student to have access to certain sections and lessons in your course at a certain time. Let's say you have a lead generator course made up of 3 or 5 lessons, and you want your student to have access to 1 lesson per day. Using the drip feature, Today your student will get access to only the first lesson, and tomorrow he or she will have access to the second one, and so on. After the student will get access to all the lessons will be available in the future. And if you want this feature, you have to be on a paid plan. Here you can see all the comments made on the lessons in the course. And here you can create coupons that students can use for enrolling in this course. These are your discount codes. Again, you can create coupons on Teachable paid plans. Here you can see the students enrolled in this course, and here you can bundle courses. If you want your students to have access to other courses if they enroll in this one, you can bundle the courses here. You can access detailed reports here if you are on the professional plan, and same goes for offering certificates of completion. And that's pretty much it. Oh, and here you can see the plans you can upgrade to. If you need help, you can find it here, or you can create a ticket asking for help from Teachable customer support. In this section there are some very good courses, but you have to upgrade in order to have access to them. And this is it. You made the tour of a Teachable administrator account. I know there is a lot of information to take in, but you don't have to learn all this. If you feel stuck at any point, come back to this video and maybe you can find the solution you are looking for. Oh yeah, here you can view how your school looks. We have to customize this at some point. Okay, I hope you made some notes and you are ready for the next lesson. But before that, don't you dare to think that there is no assignment for you. Your assignment is to navigate some more through your Teachable account to be more accustomed with the settings and the tools that you can use for administrating your courses. When you feel comfortable navigating through your Teachable account, I'll see you in the next video.